um, the Kahoot challenge. What we want the Kahoot challenge to be is basically share um, a little, to be a little fun, because we are all not in person, and we don't want to just come and listen to talk and go away. So to build that cohesiveness among ourselves as community, we just want to do this little challenge so that we can even end the day and plan for the next program. So if you have your phones and everything available, uh, let me share my screen. Okay, someone is asking Matthias, Oliver, could you share at the point the link? Yeah, yeah. Okay, it gives a discount. So Matthias has given a discount to order the book. So I will share the link with you, everyone who wants to buy the book, and you can get access to that. Let me copy this. Uh, 1 minute. So let me share my screen. Hey, I didn't. Oh, okay, okay. So,
Hi, Oliver. I have one more question before.
oh, okay.
This is to Matthias, Sheriff, and you. Which books? I think Matthias shared some books that he thought will be useful, which is one of this being advanced web application architecture. But I wanted to find out, are there other books that you might suggest apart from uh, the Blue Book? Are there other books that can be suggested
Okay. So
if we
I've
want
read
to learn DDD?
the domain-driven design distilled. I think I've forgotten his name. His name starts with V something. That's I've read his book about domain-driven design, and my for me, I got to know about it through this book. Though it was not stated completely at this domain-driven design, but it helped me to really understand um, there's a way towards development. So I'll also recommend this book as well. And what other books? Now I think those are the two books I've read at the moment, and most are um, the Purasite content part that I've taken right now. Yeah.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay.
So for the books, I in for ideal TDD, instead of going through the whole blue book or the red book of Vernon Vaughan, it's good to start by the domain-driven design distilled, which is Vernon Vaughan book. And of course, depending on your programming paradigm, you can if you are object-oriented programmer or functional programmer, you have to have some backgrounds in those paradigms or any other paradigm that you use. And the patterns behind those paradigms, of course. So also Matthias has a great book about object-oriented design. If you are interested, and there is another book around F sharp for the functional programming, but it's those are practical books. One for the object-oriented programming, and the other that I mentioned is about domain-driven design with F sharp and functional programming.
Okay.
Yeah, and as I say, starting with distilled, domain-driven design distilled, which is a small book compared to the blue book or the red book. So when I say the blue book is the Eric Evans book, and yeah, and the red book is the implementing the domain-driven design of Vernon Vaughan. And that's it. Anything to add, Matthias?
Oh, I'm not sure if you mentioned it, but the introducing event storing book by Alberto Brandolini. It's a nice one.
Yeah,
Uh, it's forever unfinished, I think, but it has the I think it has both the introduction to the concepts as well as like domain-driven design concepts in general, but also the more collaborative oriented
yeah,
yeah, patterns basically. Yeah.
yeah.
Awesome.
And as Matthias said in his presentation, yeah, having good testing skills and working with behavior-driven development is always good to iterate and having feedbacks early, and like this way you can discuss with your team member and the other stakeholders to see if you are in the right path for the implementation.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
and I think
thank you very
in
much.
in this area, basically anything can backroad will be interesting. The examples on test-driven development, extreme programming, but also recent articles. So yeah, you can always take a
Good.
look at that. So the name is Kent Beck.
Okay. Thank you. We appreciate. So, a little bit fun for this Kahoot challenge. We don't have any prize at the moment, but in the future, if you get sponsors or if you get money somewhere, you'll be able to bring a lot of prizes to some of these games. So get your phones ready, and we can start all the time. 44. We have to end by 7. So we have to dive on DDD to manage it with the rare budget, of course. I don't get it. Whether it's a question. I mean, can you ask if it's a? Can you ask again or come again? Or if someone gets what he means, then you can also explain to us. But as we do that, let's get to the game and post classic. So go to kahoot.it, and when you visit kahoot.it, you enter these numbers to join. At the moment, you have 20 people left in the meeting. So let's see those who have time to explore this. Oh, the sound is actually supposed to be deep. Join us, join us. So thank you for joining the meeting. Those who might not be able to join the call, the game, thank you for joining us. And also join the community channels. Follow us on Twitter. Join us on meetup.com and join the Discord channel. The sound is too loud. Oh, it's fun. Sorry. Oh, yeah. So this is from Amin.
How do I
Can we
join the
start?
call?
Can we start, right? We have 10
Need
people.
to, I'm trying to join. How do I join?
So go to kahoot.it,
Uh-huh.
then enter this number, the number on the
Oh,
share
okay.
screen here.
Okay. Okay. A minute.
I'm starting in 1 minute.
um,
Have you joined?
Not yet. I'm still. I'm coming.
Charlie,
Sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm coming.
okay.
Yeah, I
Then let's
mean,
start. Wow, awesome.
I didn't get to read the first question.
You didn't get the first question.
I
Oh,
didn't like.
okay,
I
finish.
wasn't. I wasn't. I wasn't. I wasn't really. I wasn't in. I wasn't in when you like it's left. I wasn't in. So then,
Uh,
yeah. So
so uh, it's how
I,
fast you answer.
I clicked the domain drinking design by by error. But
The way drinking.
yeah,
You chose drinking.
yeah. It,
I think.
Wow, excellent, excellent, excellent.
Okay.
Ish, the fastness. What are you using to select the answers? So everything here is based on the talks.
it's a tricky one.
Chai, chai. This answer, I think someone will come and beat me. Wow,
Mm.
nice. What's next? What's next?
Oh.
Awesome. Okay. Okay. Wow. One more question to finish. Who is winning? Awesome. So this is the end of the whole contest. Let's see who wins. Oh, Nicola. Alec. Hey. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Let me screenshot this. Okay. So thank you all for being part of this contest. Uh, the final thing to do for the day is for you to um, join the channel or follow us on Twitter, join Discord with this. I will share everything with everyone in the meetup page, so you can join or follow us on all these channels. What I would like to say is thank you for joining us, and thank you, Matthias Noba, for spending time with us today. We appreciate the time. And
Thank you.
thank you,
It was very
Sherry.
nice.
Yeah. Thank you, Sherry, for also sharing with us here. If no one has anything to share, then probably we have to end the meeting today. If anyone has anything to talk about, there's some few minutes. Let's do that. Or okay, maybe you can take a picture, a screenshot.
It's just the way. It's just.
You can take a screenshot. Everyone,
Oh,
maybe
okay.
on your cameras, and let's take a screenshot if it's possible.
Then a minute. Don't think. Blah, 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 blah. Do I show off? Nah, I don't think I'll look good.
Oh, you look good. Okay, is everyone turning on the camera? Or is
Yes,
it
we are
just
done.
just unmute your mic, and if you say no, then yeah. No,
Yeah.
no, okay. Walid, no or yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And we are waiting for you.
I guess yes.
Uh,
Yeah.
Ben Natch, or I don't know. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Ab the large. Then Dominic's, yes or no? Okay, taking one already, looking good. Uh, Another one. Okay, I think that you are good for this. Yes. Thank
You
you.
forgot the cat.
Someone said something. Okay.
Cheese.
Okay.
Cheese.
If you want to do anything, then you can do it. This is the last one for me to capture that. So if you want to do okay, mine is high five. I'm doing just high five. Anyone with anything? Okay. Okay. Done with that. Thank you. We appreciate the time and everything. Um, we'll share about the next talk. And if anyone is here who would like to also share something in our next meetup, you can just get in touch with us and we plan for that. It's going to be a community thing. So if you want to do anything, just let us know. We'll just plan for it.
Sure.
Yep. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you very much.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming, guys.
Yeah, thanks for putting this together.
Thanks. Bye.
Sure, no
Well
problem.
done. See you some other time.
Yeah.
See you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Matthias.
Bye bye.
Have a good
Bye.
one, everybody. Ciao.
Charlie, let me see. Recording. Stop recording.